I am almost prepared for anything.
Look at all this stuff. What?
Well, I didn't have breakfast. I made a chai tea latte. That's mostly it. Water. What if we get stranded in a tree farm?
The one right up the road?
I'll be prepared.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Ready to continue the tradition?
The fuel's low on the truck.
Oh, I forgot about
and it's a disaster inside. But hey, you got tea and breakfast.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Hey! No, RV life hack. If you want the camper to look nice, put all the not nice things in the other room of the camper.
So, years ago, back when we had sticks and bricks, as the RV community calls it, we decided to start getting a real Christmas tree every year. And of course, we've been on the road for almost 6 years now. So now that we're home for the holidays, we're gonna go get a tree today. And Steph's brother and our nephew and niece are going.
Nephew's definitely gonna help a lot.
Now we're getting a regular size tree. Maybe like 10 feet, 9 feet, something like that.
It's like 8 feet, is it 10 feet? I don't know. Not camper size, like regular house size.
It's not going in the camper. We're gonna have to put it inside. But her brother is getting a monstrosity.
I'm gonna eat my road pancakes.
And Steph has road pancakes.
Uncle Mike!
Uncle Mike! Uncle Mike!
Uncle Mike!
Uncle, look! Look at this tree!
That's a nice tree, sis.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Let's go find ours.
There you go.
Mike, you really need to catch it on the other side. Oh! Amelia, what happened to your Christmas tree?
No!
Wait, it's the wrong one, put it back.
What Landis? It's always easy. That's awesome.
How many years do you think this one's been here? How many years does it take to get this big, JD?
Well, we can actually count the rings right here because they show up really easy on these trees.
Oh.
So you got 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably at least 11 or 12 years old on this tree. So Norway spruces, this is the fastest growing spruce tree that we have on the farm. So they grow really quick once they get established. So very round in the very rotund tree.
I remember it looking better. Oh, it was this side.
You only need one good side on a tree.
Yeah, yeah.
I have no muscle tone, Mike. I stay home. You're just like the old bungee chicken.
See, I offered to do that. He wouldn't let me. Hey!
All right.
Merry Christmas! From us at Life Rerouted, we wish you guys a Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays. For about the first half of Mike and I's relationship, we had a very strict Christmas tradition. I don't know if you call it strict, but we went together, we cut down a Christmas tree, brought it back to the house, decorated it. We always threw a big ugly sweater party. It was a lot of fun.
Yes.
But then we hit the road and it's a little more difficult to fit a tree in a camper.
It is. Now that we're on the road, We usually video chat with the family in the morning, and then in the afternoon, if Steph's off work, we do something random. Something just whatever's open, whatever we feel like doing on Christmas afternoon for the past 6 years. We just kind of do something random. We went to the casinos one year when we were living in Reno.
Only thing open. Had a lot of fun, actually.
What else have we done?
We had a New England boil with our friends from Maine while we were living in South Carolina.
We did do that one
Yeah.
year. So this year, we're home, so we're able to revisit some of those old traditions. We've been back here at Steph's parents' house, mooch docking in their driveway, which we've been talking about the past couple of weeks.
Yeah, nice and warm.
It's been great.
It's been really good.
We're so happy to be home, and we're able to revisit some of our old traditions, like cutting down the Christmas tree, and hopefully having some friends over for an ugly sweater party. The tree is inside.
Not the camper.
It does not fit in the camper. We have a small tree in here, but the big tree's in the house, and we decorated the inside of the house a little bit, and we really set the mood for Christmas in there.
Turns out an 8-foot tree does not fit in a camper.
Yes, so if you guys are looking to put an 8-foot tree in your camper, it's
do it.
probably too big.
Unless you do horizontal, just like lay it in the living room.
That's
maybe.
true,
That
or
could
some
work,
of
yeah.
the fifth wheels, they're probably tall enough.
That's true, fifth wheel.
Anyway, it's too big for our camper. It's in the house, and we did decorate in here. You can see the lights here.
We
It
have
looks very festive.
We have a nice big, about, I would say foot and a half tree. Perfect
Just
size.
enough to kind of get the mood for Christmas in here.
We reached out to a couple of our friends who also full-time travel to ask them, how do you celebrate the holidays? How is it different for you now that you're full-time traveling, not stationary? They threw back some answers for us, and we wanted to share those with you guys. If you haven't seen either of these families, definitely check them out on YouTube. They're both awesome and very unique perspectives to full-time living, different reasons, and it's awesome. Hope you guys enjoy hearing their perspective. I hope you guys have a great Christmas and holiday season. Stay warm.
And we'll see you guys next time, next year. We'll see you guys next year.
Next year.
Hi Mike and Steph, Morgan and Chris here from the Live Out Loud family. Happy holidays! This will be our first Christmas in a fifth wheel, so it'll be a little different from our Christmases back home in a house in Michigan.
Yeah, a little bit different, but we will be keeping our traditions alive and well. Definitely going to be doing some gingerbread house decorating and watching A Christmas Story, drinking some eggnog.
Making cookies for Santa and opening presents in the morning. However, there's not a lot of space to cook in here. And we don't really enjoy it in an RV as much as we did back home, so we'll probably be eating Chinese. And we'll be in Oklahoma, so no snow. Kind of a bummer. Happy holidays!
I'm Kate, and this is my husband DJ. For 2 years, we traveled all across North America having epic adventures. And now we live right here on our 42-foot sailboat, Innis. We were so excited when Mike and Steph asked us to be a part of this video because this is our first Christmas celebrating on the boat. We've got a tiny little Christmas tree and are surrounded by blue tropical waters. A lot of life on a boat is dictated by the weather, but as long as the sun is shining, we'll probably be spending Christmas hanging out on a sandbar somewhere or diving under the waves with our fishy friends. So, from all of us here at the Venture Wild crew to all of you out there, wherever you are, we want to wish you a super warm Christmas and a very merry holiday season. Merry Christmas!